Welcome to Shop RV Essentials, where we're real RV owners doing real reviews of products we actually buy, use, and trust on our own adventures. If you enjoy honest RV product reviews, we'd love for you to hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and follow along as we share our favorite RV finds. First, let's talk about the best upgrade we've made to our camper. If you've ever slept on a factory RV mattress, you know they're usually one of the least comfortable parts of owning an RV. After doing a lot of research, we upgraded to this mattress and it's completely changed the way we sleep when we're camping. It's incredibly comfortable while providing excellent support. We sleep just as well on this mattress as we do on our much more expensive one at home. Setup was super simple, it fit in our RV perfectly, and we were pleasantly surprised it was odor free. This mattress has made every camping trip much more enjoyable. And if you're tired of waking up sore after sleeping in your RV, it's an upgrade that we highly recommend. To learn more, visit shoprvessentials.com or click the links below to read our full review and check current Amazon pricing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.